Are you tired of your pencil breaking? Thanks to William Austin Burt, you can now type with style with your new typewriter. Included in your new typewriter, you can type with all 26 letters, punctuations, and numbers. Because of William Austin Burt, built in 1829, we can now fix the problem of broken pencils. Why spend hundreds of dollars on broken pencils when you could buy a new typewriter today? For just 3 easy payments of $33.30, this typewriter can be yours now. But call in the next 5 minutes and we'll also throw in a free ink pouch. Call 1-800-897-7483.